not just hipsters, food aficionados, or slow food enthusiasts that shop at the market. Everyone does, and I am in my element. For me, the market is always my first port of call in any country. And the only thing better than shopping at a French market is shopping at a French market with an executive chef. I've arrived in Bordeaux in southwestern France on Scenic's beautiful Bordeaux River Cruise, and one of the included Scenic free choice options is to shop with a chef. This is what France is all about, isn't
Exactly.
it?
It's all about food, eating, and red wine.
Yeah, and provenance, you know, where the food comes from.
Exactly.
Today we're at the Capuchin market, shopping for ingredients to make a classic steak with Café de Paris. So what herbs are you going to get?
So we will get a nice bunch of thyme. Maybe we're gonna get also some mint for our bar team.
I love flowering thyme. It's so nice. It's got even more like a sweet.
Exactly.
Can I hold it? I want to smell it the whole way. The produce here and the way it's presented is just beautiful.
So we will get the filet of beef. Bonjour. We can have 4 pieces of beef filet. Yeah.
He's just cutting through that like butter. I think I know what it is. It's not just a transaction. It's, you know, part of their day to greet each other and have a proper interaction and make eye contact. It's definitely very unique to France, I feel. There's a few basic points of etiquette when you're in French market. Always say hello to the vendor, so bonjour. Never manhandle the produce. And bring a basket, because if you're a pig like me, you're going to overbuy and run out of arms.
Bonjour, madame.
Speaking of buying too much, I can't pass up the opportunity to buy some in-season white asparagus.
The difference between white and green asparagus is growing all the time under the ground, and the green asparagus is on the top. So also, what is very, very important...
It's very buttery, isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah. And the white asparagus has to be peeled.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Because I haven't had white asparagus many times in my life. Yeah, it's a very French thing. We don't really get it much in Australia.
All right.
Merci. And what could be better than some classic French cheeses, including a truffled brie? It smells so good.
I can smell already. I can smell them already.
Let's go already. Baguettes make me so happy. Oh, wow. It's so melty. Oh, wow. Maybe just leave us here for a bit. Like, now. Back on board, and it's time for our Scenic Culinaire cooking class, where we turn these fresh ingredients into a classic French meal.
So we will do our steak with Café de Paris.
Garlic. The recipes are ones that anyone can reproduce.
Fresh thyme, chopped parsley, chopped dill.
Allowing you to take a little bit of France home with you. And I can see you've peeled all the ends.
Exactly. I would say it's one of my favorite sauces, because to have a nice tender piece of tenderloin with a nice Café de Paris, couple of pieces of white asparagus.
Yes, you're in heaven.
I think we are more than heaven.
Once all the fresh ingredients have been mixed into the sauce and the white asparagus is blanched, it's time for the steak. So it's really important to rest your meat for half the time that you've cooked it for, so that it retains all the juices. If you cut it too soon, all the juices will just leach out and you lose all the tenderness. You should put this in the cruise gym. Which just leaves the tasting.
You can hear the sound of the crunchiness of the white asparagus.
Oh, that is so delicious. Merci beaucoup.
You're very welcome.
Experience a culinary journey along France's breathtaking waterways in truly 5-star ultra-luxury with Scenic in 2024. Exclusive Scenic and Rich experiences, Scenic free choice activities, all on-board meals and premium drinks are included. Getaway viewers can save $300 per person with an exclusive voucher. To request your voucher, visit scenicgetaway.com.au, call 1300 790 372 or speak to your nearest Scenic travel advisor.